Hi, my name is Andreas, and with the help of a friend, I am building a real fighter jet in my garage. This is my story. Welcome, ladies and gentle beasts. A lot of our work is happening in the background. Actually, the boring background is most of the work, and building the real aircraft is just a tiny part compared with all the equations we have to solve. Just cutting 5 minutes of video takes me 3 hours alone, so this is also a good time to remind you, hit the like button like crazy. I mean, come on, you know where it is. Right now you can hit it, just here, right there. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, because otherwise you won't see it pop up in the timeline. So today I want to show you just a small bit of what is happening in the background. One example here. Each single tube has to be calculated for its maximum strength. What you can see here is all the calculations necessary for just one single tube of the elevator control linkage, and there are 5 more of them, not even including the other parts, which are calculated differently because forces are applied in different directions. Another example is the gear system. You may have noticed that we haven't started the legs yet. The reason is that we calculated the speed at which you will rotate during takeoff and noticed that we need to shift the main gear 3 inches forward to get the speed we wanted. The reason is that the weight needs to be situated between the forward and aft limits. There is a line perpendicular to the max rotation angle which has to be located behind the aft CG. It doesn't say how much aft, so we recalculated it, and now we have the correct balance for rotation speed and elevator angle. Another thing I wanted to show you is that sometimes you try something new and it doesn't go well. I tried creating some elevator sections with a mixture of 3D printed leading and trailing edges and a hot wire cut center section. Unfortunately, I messed up one of them, and so there was a slight angle in the middle of the elevator. We could have fixed it easily, but Christmas is coming and our new CNC mill we got from Santa is only about a week away. So we will wait for it to arrive and then create a new elevator on the mill. Even though it will be thrown away, you can already have a short sneak peek at the complete tail, including the horizontal part and the elevator. Yes, that looks about right. I would definitely want to fly that. Also, the test pilot is happy and got no objection. So let's get to the finish line. Sorry for the delay of this week's video. Next Friday you will see how we finished coding the fuselage, so don't forget to tune in. As always, fly safe, fly Horus.